What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin bottom because this is something that everyone wants to know when it will be. Well, in today's video, I've curated different charts, different indicators, different on-chain analysis to show you exactly when I personally think the Bitcoin bottom could be. Of course, right now is a crazy time in crypto. It's a crazy time in the world, investing, traditionals, oil, gas, every precious metals, literally everything. It's a crazy volatile time. So I want to bring you in this video a little bit of a stability, which can hopefully ease your mind a little bit and start to help you understand where exactly the bottom could be. Now, I do not have a crystal ball I can just shake and we can understand and we can all know exactly the bottom. Unfortunately, I cannot do that. If I could, I would do it and I would tell you immediately, but I can't. All we can do is look at on-chain data, look at previous history, previous cycles, current data, and make a good estimated guess as to where the bottom could be. So if that sounds good, guys, as always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. As always, we are bringing the giveaway back. Drop down below your comments saying literally anything to enter to win $100 every single Monday. We're bringing it back. Monday will be the first giveaway in a while, so let's get those comments in down below. Also, just a quick one, guys, if you did want to go ahead and copy my bots, I have multiple different bots set up right now, and you can see some of the results on screen right now, which they've already achieved. Down here, you can literally copy them: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Hype, Link, Tau as well. All you have to do is sign up to Pinex using the link right here on the steps, and then simply go ahead and copy the bot right there. So it's super simple. I'll talk more about that later in today's video. And guys, before we do in fact get into the video, of course, you know, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. Also, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So first of all, I want to give a brief overview of what is happening in the charts right now, very quickly, because this is a more long-term video. As of right now, we are currently sitting outside of this bear flag right here, which we could see a breakdown. We have in fact broken out of it, broken back up in it, and then broken down again. I do potentially think in the short to medium term, Bitcoin will be seeing some kind of a downtrend, in my opinion. I really do think that is happening. And in today's video, I'm going to kind of explain exactly my thesis on that. So let's get into this video. Let's talk about what is going on right now, because it's a really crazy time. And first of all, I want to bring up these moving averages on the weekly time frame. So on the screen right now, guys, we have the 200 in blue, the 250 in green, the 300 in yellow or orange, and the 350 in red. These are the different moving averages which I want to talk about. And we can see right here, the halving right there, the halving bottom right there. So what I want to tell you is that in the previous halvings, we can see we went down, we broke below the 300 moving average right there, and we touched briefly the 350 moving average. So if history was to repeat, of course, history doesn't always repeat, but it can in fact rhyme. We could be going down to this range right here, which is approximately $45,000, $46,000. Now, I have another chart which I want to show you in just a second that could invalidate this. However, I think it's very important that you understand this as well. In my opinion, in this box right here, between about 50K to about 68K, it is a good buying range. However, I'm buying in this range, yes. I'm dollar cost averaging in. However, we do have to be careful of this 350 weekly moving average right here, down at $45,600, because previously back here in 2022, we did in fact reach it at 15K. And if we go all the way back here, we can see, if we zoom in, back here when we were down at 3K, we only just broke the 200 moving average. I mean, literally only just. We didn't even really close below it, to be honest. And if we go even further back in history, we can see literally just when the 300 moving average began, we can see we did break the 200 moving average and we came down to approximately the 250 moving average. So we do need to keep that in mind, guys. Of course, these moving averages, they're not set in stone. It doesn't mean that because the 350 moving average is at 46K that we cannot go below 46K. Of course, it doesn't mean that. It just means that these are good buying ranges right here. We have got right here 60K. We have got 56K. We have got here also 52K, and then down here at 45K. Somewhere in this range will be the best range for buying Bitcoin. Of course, if you believe Bitcoin is going to appreciate over time, it doesn't matter what cost you buy it at. If you're buying it at 51K, if you're buying at 42K, it doesn't matter, because long term, if you believe that, then it doesn't really matter. All I'm giving you in this video is the ranges which could be the best for accumulation and where the potential bottom could be. Now, I want to talk more about these bots, guys, and I'm also in a trade over on weeks. I think potentially Bitcoin could be going lower. I put my money where my mouth is. I opened a 10K position right here over on weeks. We're currently around $700, $800 in profit, right there, 146% in profit. It's only a small position, and I did open it up here at around 72,000, which is not a bad entry, to be honest. I think potentially we could be going a little bit lower. So short term, I am a little bit bearish. However, long term, I'm extremely bullish. So I've got a short trade open right there, but my bots are actually accumulating at this stage right now. So if you want to know what a grid bot is, it basically buys low and then sells high and profits in between. So when the price is going down, it's buying, and when it continues to go down, it buys, and then when it gets higher, it does in fact sell. And we can see some of the results we have had from them right now. If you did want to go ahead and join Pinex, recently they are having, for a limited time only, $1,000 deposit bonus going on. So the link for that will be down below. It is for a limited time only though. And we can see some of the bots which I am doing right here. I've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, and the price, and the list goes on. So we can see right here how many grids there are right there. We can see also how many, the minimum capital requirement right there. They are all on 3x leverage. I think it's a pretty reasonable leverage. Nothing too crazy that's going to get liquidated, but also enough to multiply the capital to in fact do it. And we can see right there we are within range. I've got my range set at 38K there for this bot. Of course, I may update it. I'll let you know in the videos if I do update it. But if you wanted to copy any of these bots, all you have to do is go to copymybots.io. It's my site. You can watch the video right there. First, sign up to Pinex. Click this link here or the link below the description video. Then claim your deposit bonus, make a deposit, and then go ahead and choose your bots. And then all you have to do is, once you're logged into your account, just simply copy bot right there. You can see copy the bot right there, and it will in fact open the tab, and you can go ahead and copy that bot. So I am short on Bitcoin in the short term, but of course, long term, I'm using my bots to accumulate Bitcoin, to accumulate different Bitcoin, in different positions as we go lower, and then during the bull market, I will reap these rewards, and these bots will have accumulated so many different positions that the bull market is going to be, not even the bull market, but as we continue to go higher, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. So all the links for that are down below. I do want to now take a look at this chart right here, guys, and I'm going to move it to logarithmic chart, because this is in fact a logarithmic chart, and it does in fact change. Of course, if you're on regular, if you're on logarithmic, it does in fact change. But this is something which I really want to show. Let's remove the EMA ribbons, because what we can see right here is a very, very good indication. Now, many people are showing this chart over on Twitter and saying that Bitcoin will not really go below 60K or below this price level right here. However, of course, this chart what I'm showing you right now, it does kind of invalidate the previous chart with the moving averages, because we saw the moving averages down here at 46K, 55K, stuff like that. This chart right here, it shows that we are in fact trading between these ranges each cycle. And of course, the next big target is all the way up here at around $500,000. Of course, it's absolutely a crazy target. I do believe Bitcoin will reach it one day. However, not anytime soon, in my honest, realistic opinion. So we can see right here, we have the bottom right here, 3K, the bottom 15K, and the potential bottom right now at 60K, sorry. And we can see anytime now, we should be expecting a move to the upside. Of course, just because we do bounce, it doesn't mean we're going to bounce here and just immediately go vertical. It does not mean that whatsoever. However, it does mean that we could potentially slowly start to climb and accumulate higher prices over the next coming months and years. It's going to be a long, tedious few months, few years, guys, for Bitcoin. We know it. We're in a bear market. If you've been around in the bear market before previously, it was extremely long and tedious. And even we were in this bull market here and we didn't even know it. Yes, alts didn't really pump. We did have a meme season 24, end 24, start 2025, which is beautiful. However, we didn't really get a crazy all-time high for XRP we did, but Solana and other coins like that, we didn't really get the prices which we wanted. So it didn't really feel like the bull market we wanted. Had you just kept Bitcoin and bought Bitcoin at these lows, of course, you could have 5, 6, 7x your money, which would have been absolutely beautiful in any investor's portfolio. However, now we're coming to these points right here. It could be a great time to start dollar cost averaging in, and that's exactly why I'm using these bots right here. Also, we can't ignore the Bitcoin rainbow chart. This is something which has been hot for many years now, and each time we have in fact been in this Bitcoin's a fire sale or Bitcoin is dead, because as of right now, we're currently in the Bitcoin is dead range right there. We can see exactly at this point the Bitcoin price, what it is right now, $67,000. It's in the Bitcoin is dead range. Of course, historically, this has been a good buying indicator for the future. Also, taking a look at this right here, Bitcoin price after halvings, usually on average, it takes between 650 days to 900 days for us to reveal, or for us to understand the reveal of the Bitcoin bottom. And as of right now, we're currently 700 days in the current price right there. So we can see that we could have another 100, maybe 200, maybe even 250 days until the exact Bitcoin bottom. In my opinion, it will come within the next 2 to 6 months. We will see the Bitcoin bottom. Whether that be what price it may be, I am not exactly sure. But going back to this chart right here, if we give the moving averages back onto the chart, again, I think this chart right here is the key to understanding the exact Bitcoin bottom. And again, it will be, in my opinion, somewhere in this range right here. I think it will be between, in my opinion, about 45 to about 60K, somewhere in that range. I think the Bitcoin bottom will be, and I'm going to be accumulating during this time. I'm going to be entering long positions during this time. I'm going to be making those bots work for me day and night. And I really do think that it could be the best time to, in fact, in crypto right now, because it's very boring. Not really many people are interested. That's when you make the money. So I really do appreciate it, guys. Again, drop me a comment down below. Like today's video. Let's get above 500 likes. And don't forget to comment to enter that giveaway. And go ahead and check out my bots down here if you did want to, in fact, go and use some grid bots right there. It's very interesting. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about crypto. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.